This indicator should be banned. Not because it's bad, but because it's too good. I'm talking 80% win rate when used alone, and 90 to 95% when you add one simple trick I'm about to show you.
Wow!
You're going to be mad when you see how easy this is, because all those hours studying charts, all that technical analysis, you could have just used this instead. It literally tells you when to buy and when to sell. On the green arrow we buy, and on the red arrow we sell. That's it. But here's the catch. Most people are using it wrong, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the secret settings that take this from good to absolutely unstoppable, plus the one extra indicator that eliminates almost every false signal. So stick around because this is about to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Alright, so what is this magical indicator? It's called the UT bot, and before you ask, no, I didn't make that name up. UT bot. Sounds like a robot from the future, right? But here's the thing, this indicator is scary accurate. It works on the 5-minute time frame and higher. Don't even try it on the 1-minute chart. Trust me, it won't work. But on 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, this thing is a sniper. Now most people just slap this indicator on their chart and call it a day. Big mistake. Because if you use the default settings, you're leaving money on the table. But don't worry, I'm about to show you the exact settings that take this indicator from decent to absolutely crack. Stay with me, because this is where it gets good. Okay, let's set this up the right way. First, open up TradingView. Click on Indicators at the top. Now type in UT bot. You should see it pop up. Make sure you chose the one from Quant Nomad and click it. Now here's where most people mess up. Go to the settings and change the key value to 2 and then change the ATR period to 6. Got it? Good. Now look at your chart. You've got buy signals here and sell signals there. And they're working together like a dream team. Alright, let's see this thing in action. Look at this chart. A buy signal appears, and then the price shoots up. And if you wait till the second indicator that I am about to show you, you will see why we didn't take the sell signal right there, or the other sell signal right here. So with my strategy, you could have hit all TPs in the world. Buy signal means up, and sell signal means down. It's almost too easy. Like this trade right here, sell signal shows up, price tanks all the way down. Risk to reward 4.22 to 1 from one trade. But
wait a minute!
There's a problem. See this signal here? Failed. And this one also failed. Even the best indicators aren't perfect. So how do we fix this? How do we filter out the bad signals and only take the winners? That's where the second indicator comes in. And this is the part that takes your win rate from 80% to 95%. But before I will show you the secret indicator, I want to invite you to join my new trading challenge. I want to flip a small account from $50 to $3,000 using this exact UT bot strategy. Now I know what you're thinking. $50 to $3,000?
That's impossible.
60x return? Who does that? But here is the thing. I found a broker which makes this possible. Vantage Markets. They offer 1 to 500 leverage. Let that sink in. With just $50, I can control positions worth over $25,000. That's insane leverage. And it's perfect for flipping small accounts. Now obviously this is risky, but with the right strategy, like this UT bot setup and proper risk management, it's totally doable. I am documenting the entire journey in my free Telegram group, and if you want to see all the trades that I am making, just join the challenge and deposit $50 to Vantage Markets through my link in the description, and you will get access to my VIP Telegram group where all signals will be posted. And now back to the secret weapon, the final piece of the puzzle. Let me present to you the STC indicator. Alright, here's the game changer. We're adding a momentum oscillator called STC. It just confirms whether the signal is legit or not. Takes 2 seconds to check. Here's how to set it up. Go back to indicators. Search for STC oscillator. Make sure to select the one from Cheyenne KM. Click it. Now go to settings. Change the length to 80 and the fast length to 27. Then go to the style section. Set plot 1 to green and crank up the opacity. Set plot 2 to red and crank that opacity up too. Now your chart should have this line bouncing between green and red zones. And this is how we filter the trades. Here comes the super simple rule. When you get a buy signal from the UT bot, check the STC line. Is it below the green line? And is it moving up and slowly turning green? If yes, take the trade. If no, skip it. That's it. Same thing for sell signals. When you get a sell signal from the UT bot, check the STC line. Is it above the red line? And is it moving down? If yes, take the trade. If no, walk away. This one simple check eliminates most of the losing trades. and it takes literally 2 seconds. Now let me show you some real examples so you can see this in action. Here's a sell signal from the UT bot. Check the STC line. Is it above the red line? Yes. Is it moving down? Yes. Perfect. We take the trade. Stop loss above this high. Take profit 2 times the stop loss at minimum. And boom, price drops straight to our target. Another winner. See how clean this is? When both indicators agree, the trade just works. No second guessing, no hoping. Just take the trade and let it run. So why does this strategy work so well? 2 reasons. First, the UT bot catches momentum shifts early. It doesn't wait for price to move a ton before giving a signal. It catches the move right as it's starting. That's why the entries are so clean. Second, the STC indicator filters out the noise. It makes sure the momentum is actually there before you enter.
I gotta look at this myself.
So you're not jumping into fake moves or choppy markets. You're only taking trades when everything is lined up. UT bot says go. STC says yes. Confirmed. And then you execute. That's the system. And when you follow it, the win rate is insane. Up to 95% when you add the STC indicator. Those are numbers most traders dream about. And you can start using this strategy today. Now a few quick reminders before you go. Number 1, stick to 5-minute timeframes or higher. Don't try this on 1-minute charts, it won't work. The indicator needs time to breathe. Number 2, always use a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. That means your take profit should be twice your stop loss. This keeps your account growing even if you have a losing trade here and there. Number 3, don't force trades. If the UT bot gives a signal but the STC doesn't confirm it, skip the trade. Discipline is everything. The best trades are the ones you don't take when conditions aren't right. Follow these rules and you'll be golden. Alright, that's the strategy. Now you have my secret sauce. UT bot for signals, STC for confirmation. Subscribe if you want more strategies like this, and drop a comment letting me know, are you going to try this strategy? If you want to see more live trades using this setup, join my free Telegram signals group linked in my link tree. Alright, that's it for today. Go test this out yourself and watch your win rate skyrocket. Bye bye, Inspector Gang.